Fryslân called her father didn't like me anyway. The coat she wore still lies upon the bed. That book I gave her that she never read. She left without a single word to say. Her father didn't like me anyway. She always wanted more than I could give. She wasn't happy with the way we lived. I could have felt like asking her to stay. Her father didn't like me anyway. Daddy never knew just what she'd seen in me. Our daddy didn't like my hair. Perhaps if we had talked, he might have seen something in me. But Daddy didn't really care. For to tell the truth, I didn't have the nerve. I know I've only got what I deserve. And now she's taken leave from me today. Her father didn't like me anyway. Dum, 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 diddy dee, da, da. Dum dum da da dee da da dum 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 dee dee da dum. If you know that, come and sing with us. The coat she wore still lies upon the bed. That book I gave her that she never read. She left without a single word to say. Her father didn't like me anyway. Her father didn't like me anyway. And I don't care. There you go.
There are roads to where we're going, endless highways and dusty tracks, and every road that we have traveled is the road that always brings us back. So take us to familiar places and take us back to share again golden days and friendly faces. May we all someday meet again. And there are words we should have spoken, there are plans we should have made, promises that we have broken. It has always, always been the same. So take us to familiar places and take us back to share again golden days and friendly faces. May we all someday meet again. So have no fear of distant thunder. Lightning strikes, then moves ahead. May the storm fill you with wonder. May it light the road that lies ahead. So take us to familiar places and take us back to share again golden days and friendly faces. May we all someday meet again. So take us to familiar places and take us back to share again golden days and friendly faces. May we all someday meet again. May we all someday meet again. I think you all know this. We call it the Red Rose Cafe. They come from the farms and the factories too, and they all soon forget who they are. The cares of the day are soon washed away as they sit on a stool by the bar. The girl with green eyes in the Rolling Stone shirt doesn't look like she works on the land. And the man at the end, he's a very good friend of a man who sells cars second hand. Down at the Red Rose Cafe in the harbour, there by the port just outside Amsterdam. Everyone shares in the songs and the laughter. Everyone there is so happy to be there. The salesmen relax with a few pints of beer, and they try not to speak about trade. The poet won't write any verses tonight, but he may sing a sweet serenade. The great-haired old man, the piano will play any song that you're wanting to hear. And the pretty young thing doesn't know how to sing, but the customers give her a chair. Down at the Red Rose Cafe in the harbour, there by the port just outside Amsterdam. Everyone shares in the songs and the laughter. Everyone there is so happy to be there. Outside of the real world, the rage is still on. It's all gone a little bit mad. Now in circles we go, so it's good to know of a place where good times can be had. So pull up a chair and forget about life. It's a good thing to do now and then. And if you like it here, I have an idea. Tomorrow, let's all meet again. Down at the Red Rose Cafe in the harbour, there by the port just outside Amsterdam. Everyone shares in the songs and the laughter.